Oh yeah, we landed. Where we landed at?
Venice.
Venice.
Venecia.
Venice. So we still shopping in Europe. I decided to pick up these pairs. So what you said about this one? This is a special edition that Virgil made, right?
1844.
1844 is when Louis Vuitton was founded, right?
Yeah.
Yep, we're gonna go with those right there. So we finally found the earrings.
Item that I had on my list.
This LV store is amazing out here. They got the perfumes lined up here. So now we in Versace and she's about to get a robe. Her other robe is just not it.
The short one.
Yeah.
This is nice then.
Yeah, that's fire. The red one is fire. Finally, we are in Venice. As you saw earlier, we got picked up from the airport, straight to our water taxi, straight to our hotel. It was beautiful.
Now that we're in Venice, we're only going to be here for one day.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Dino.
So we on the tour with Dino, and we on a gondola ride right now as we speak. Look.
Honestly, it's just a chill day for us, just to walk around and explore. I feel like for a lot of our trip, we're getting up early. We got a tour, we got a bus, we got to be here, we got to be there, we got to be there. Today,
it's just gonna be a chill day.
it's just a chill day. I'm not gonna do all my outfit changes. Usually I have a morning outfit, middle day outfit, switch the night outfit, put makeup on. Like, I'm just gonna stay like this the entire day.
I noticed that everything in Venice is on water.
This country was built on water. It's built on a lagoon.
So she dropped some knowledge on me that I probably should have known already. But yeah, this whole place is on water. If you want to get around to other sides, you got to go over bridges.
Yep.
But it's dope though. It's so dope. We're gonna show y'all a tour, and we catch y'all at the next location, which is Milan. Yo,
We're happy.
we in Italy for real.
We're in Venice.
This is a different vibe.
So I think one of the most beautiful things about this day is that we don't have no itinerary. We literally just walking around.
Yep.
We're literally just vibing, and I'm really enjoying myself. Wait, yo, while we was just taking a picture, kissing, and somebody photobombed us. We gotta drop the picture for you. That is funny.
Oh my God, I gotta see it. All right, so you gonna try her?
Damn, it got all over my...
Yeah, I think it's like squid ink for real. It don't taste like nothing. What you think?
It's not bad.
It's all right.
It's not bad though.
At all?
Nah, it's not bad. It's just...
All right.
Yeah, it's cool. Not bad.
Black spaghetti. I never even thought they had something like this. We about to demolish our food, I guess. We was hungry. We didn't eat all day.
How was dinner?
But the octopus that I had was good though. The spaghetti was not. I was not a big fan.
It was
At all.
okay.
Yeah. So now we're taking a walk to Rialto
Bridge. It's 11:47 at night. He thought we were going to bed. We ain't going to bed.
It was a lot of walk. It was a lot of walking this trip.
Nothing beats the hills in Positano. Nothing beats those. My heart was beating so fast. We're gonna enjoy this view for a little bit, head back to the hotel. Stay tuned for our next city.
We in Milano.
Milano. Getting our bags and we're going to our hotel. So we are on our way to our hotel. We just got from the train. Our train got here about 30 minutes ago, but we had to just figure out this taxi situation. So we ended up requesting an Uber. And we're like in an Uber XL, and it was about 30-something euros. So we're just gonna check in, get ourselves acquainted. I'm dressed for the day. This is what he's wearing. And we're gonna go explore. But we're gonna check into our hotel first, so see you there. In Milan. So this is basically like a one-bedroom suite. This is the best
hotel we got so far since we got to Italy.
This is definitely the best room that we received.
In Positano, the room was extremely expensive, but really small. See, bed area. You got a closet, it's a walk-in closet. Yep, you can literally walk in this joint. Then the bathroom. Yeah, bathroom is beautiful. We just had to give you a tour of our last room in Italy. The other rooms was not worth a tour for us because it was just too small and it didn't make no sense. Even though it was so goddamn expensive, I didn't understand why. This room is the best room so far and I love it.
It has everything that we usually love in a room. So one thing we noticed is that all of the hotels don't have irons. So our clothes have been ironed by heat. Outdoor heat since we've been here. It's like you gotta hang your clothes up at night.
The humidity of outside.
Yes. Other than that, hotels are great. This one has the best room, and this is Hotel View in Chinatown of Milan. So we're gonna go downstairs, get some food, and go out to explore.
Catch you guys later.
We're at lunch, and Babe is having, you know him. He's just like his daughter, just chicken and french fries. And I'm having a chicken Caesar salad and a club sandwich with no bacon, of course. Bon appetit. We are in Milano.
Yes, sir.
At the cathedral. You guys see it? Woo.
Beautiful.
It's nice.
Yeah, we about to enter this and take this ride. Look, we still not done shopping. Look, golly. Oh, this is Bluetooth? Wow, he got Bluetooth in it too.
Where you from?
I'm from New York, but I'm from Gambia.
Gambia.
Yeah.
You Gambian?
Oh, you from Senegal? Wow, that's crazy. I'm from Gambia. But I speak Sonike. No, no Wolof. No, I don't speak Wolof. My mom do. See, you my brother. Still shopping, like I said.
This is Raya's winter coat. She grew out of her winter coat. I know she did. Yeah. We were gonna buy her a winter coat anyway for her birthday. We might as well just get it here for a good price.
Oh, he jamming over there. Look, he jamming over there.
The TikTok.
Oh, that's a TikTok?
Yeah.
So, we headed to Starbucks, get some Starbucks. Try to get our night going after Starbucks, right?
Yeah.
Try to figure out what we're gonna do tonight.
Italy has a national holiday called Agosto de 15, Agosto de 15, I don't know.
Yeah.
August the 15th is what it's called in English. They close everything for like 2 weeks.
So, like we said, we're gonna go get some Starbucks. Catch y'all guys later. Good morning, YouTube. Yesterday, our camera died.
Our camera died, so we didn't get to show you the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. They had these huge machines where they were like roasting and making coffee beans. Think of it as like a Starbucks mansion.
Exactly what I told her. This is like a Starbucks mansion.
Today we are in Verona. We're going to go visit some villas out here that we wanted to see anyway. We're gonna get back to Milan because we want to do some more things out in the city that we didn't get a chance to do last night. So far, so good. You ready to go home?
Now I'm ready to go home. I want to see my baby. I miss her.
We miss Ryan.
Yeah, I miss her. And her birthday coming up, so we got to prepare for that too.
So, we'll show you the villa that we're going to visit, and then we're going to go back to Milan. We're back. As you can see, it was so hot. We went back to the hotel, we freshened up, had some room service, and then we hit the streets again. This time we're in the apartment?
Department store. It's like a department store. It's like a Saks.
So we're here, and guess what we got?
Raya's birthday outfit.
So we got Raya's birthday outfit. They didn't have what we came here for initially. However, we did find something that we like, and we saved a great deal of money on her outfit. Although it's still my birthday, she's 17 days apart from me. If you didn't watch the other YouTube videos, Raya was supposed to be born on October 17th. She came 17 days after my birthday. So we're planning her birthday during my birthday.
Yes.
I said we wouldn't give her no party. We're going to give her a party. You know how that goes. I think that we're just gonna call it from here and get back to our hotel because we have dinner.
We gotta get ready for dinner tonight.
It's at 10
Today's
o'clock.
our last night, yo.
And I'm gonna try to look like
Today's our last night.
But look at this. This place is called Rishanti. We getting a house?
We have to.
We have to get a house.
So we kind of overdue. The timing was not right.
Literally, look at this. Like, you ever been to Bloomingdale's or Saks or something? And it's called, oh, I said Rishanti. See, I be making up my names. They said hi. We're going to get a taxi because I think we're done here.
I think we're done. Like we did a great deal of shopping and got a lot of great stuff. We kind of was splurging, but we were strategic with it a little bit.
Well, I wasn't splurging.
You were splurging actually.
No, I wasn't. Don't listen to him. He's telling stories.
Oh, she was actually splurging.
I had a list of things that I wanted. I was gonna buy them in the United States, but I said, you know what? Let me try my luck and wait till I get here. So I ended up buying the same things I would have bought in the United States, which is much cheaper.
You should get that Montclair.
We've just made the decision to go get Raya another Montclair. So she's gonna have 2 winter coats, 2 new winter coats. Let me show y'all.
She gonna get another Montclair.
This one is cute.
This one is nice.
And you know I love pink, so it's happening. So we were successful. We got Raya a second Montclair. We are now walking to get to a street. Yeah, we need a taxi back to our hotel. But I love this place. I find this place to be so beautiful. They have all the stores here. Babe, I want to go to all the stores. That's how it.
All the stores.
That's my inside joke with him.
Yeah.
And I want to go shopping. I want to go to all the stores. You know what that means? I want you to spend some money.
That's already done. I'm done.
Oh, he said he's done. So yeah, we're gonna go back to our hotel, freshen up, and get to dinner. Our last night in Milan. So we can't sit where we were really gonna sit.
It was not jacking my Murray outfit, my Murray 2-piece.
Nah.
Yeah, I noticed earlier I had the same type of 2-piece on the Murray, but lighter.
He wasn't matching the feng shui. We're gonna eat. We're gonna go back to our hotel. We're gonna relax. Because our flight is at 7. No, it's at 10, but we need to get there early. We got a lot of tax refunds to claim.
Happy birthday!
Shante.
Shante! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, this is a long wish. You still wishing?
I have a lot to ask.
Yo, this joint looks good though, I ain't gonna lie. So guys, we are back in our room literally an hour after our dinner. We cut the dinner short because my baby's not feeling too well. She has a headache. So we're gonna end our night here. Today is our last night. We catch y'all in the morning when we headed back to the airport.
I'm back. Last night I was so sick. I had a headache. It was so bad. You saw that they sung happy birthday to me with the cake in the box because I was like, I got to get out of here before I fall out. I feel better now. Sadly, we're going to the airport. So this is the end of our tour of Italy. We are done. It's been about 8 days of magic. Shout out to this guy.
I'm happy. I'm glad you had a great time, babe. Let's keep going up.
Going up. It's 30. We going up. Now we're basically the same age.
Yep.
If you ask him, how old are you?
30.
Oh, because sometimes he'll be like, oh, I'm about to be 31. The day after his birthday, he'll be like, I'm about to be the next age. Like, calm down. You only been this age for 1 day.
After you're 30, that's it. You're about to be 31.
But I hope you enjoyed the driving experience Italy edition. Peace.